channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Pomodoro timers in Tide app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create Pomodoro timers in Tide app, all you gotta do is simply go to Tide app. Once you're in your Tide app, you need to simply be sure that Tide app has a built-in focus timer feature based on the Pomodoro technique, which can help you configure in the app setting. There is no need to create a new timer. You can simply customize the existing function and create your own Pomodoro timers. So you need to navigate to the settings and locate the focus work mode setting, enable the customize Pomodoro option, and adjust your intervals. Now you can configure the automations, which is completely optional, and you can also select sounds, that is also optional. After this, you need to simply start the timer and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.